One limit order. I see oil selling off a little bit. Boom, I got filled. Now I'm short one RBOB. I'm going to heating oil, put a bid in there, waiting patiently. I got filled. Now I have my spread on. Three correlated lines, light blue, green, orange, all moving in and out of one another. And all of a sudden the blue breaks down relative to the green, relative to the orange. Keep it simple. What we're looking at is just RBOB gasoline, heating oil, and then this is a spread between heating oil and RBOB gasoline. Watch what happens when I take the spread off the chart. Hit the beaker. This is energy edge. Heating oil RBOB. No. Okay. Apply. Okay. Going back to the beginning of June. Heating oil and RBOB are two closely correlated contracts. Once in a while, those relationships will break down. Like they did here. Like they did here. And for sure, like they're doing right now. Now let's put the spread back on. Beaker, COG, heating oil RBOB, yes, okay, apply, okay. Green and orange closely correlated. Remember when they broke down here? Look at the blue line. The blue line was getting expensive and then it comes off. Right now, this is absolutely ridiculous. HO RBOB is significantly cheap relative to the outright contracts. Let me show you exactly how to put this trade on. I'm looking to buy one heating oil and sell one RBOB. Here's heating oil, and here's RBOB, and here's oil. I just left oil on there because it's the alpha male. I worked the limit order. One above here, thinking I'm going to get filled, and then I just wait. One limit order, I see oil selling off a little bit. Boom, I got filled. Now I'm short one RBOB. I'm going to heating oil, put a bid in there, waiting patiently. I got filled. Now I have my spread on. It's one by one. There's my fill. Long one, short one. And now I'm long that heating oil RBOB spread. One last thought, you may be thinking, what's the margin on this trade? Well, I have a little margin calculator here. Long one HO, I'm in December. Short one RBOB gasoline, 4,100. And then to hold the trade overnight, it's going to be 4,510. Pretty straightforward trade. I like the risk to reward. Let's see how we do.